what happens when you combine the precision of laser cutting with the direct spirit of the year. Today at FORZA Laser, we're turning steel in pure horror. Every Halloween brings a new challenge, having the scariest decoration. But this time we decide to take it to another level, where metal becomes horror. We're going to create our own Halloween decoration, all made of real steel, all cut with the precision of our FORZA Ranger. The designs we're carrying today is inspired by the spider that symbolizes this celebration and the glow of candlelight, and you can already find it on FORZA Vectors. As you know, FORZA has this platform where you can download this and many other designs. Just go to vectors.forzalaser.com, download your preferred file, get the necessary parameters from FORZA library, and load both the designs and the parameters into FORZA Play. It's that quick and simple. We run a frame to align our design, turn off the guide light, and hit play. And here is the final result. And here is the spider 3D, the parts. Is that you can do with our FORZA Ranger and obviously metal. With the power of our FORZA Ranger, cutting designs like this takes only a few minutes. But what's truly impressive is its massive production capability. We can reproduce every figure with the same precision over and over again. Forget sanding, bars, or endless post-processing here. The finish is clean from the very first shot. So, this Halloween, metal becomes art and precision becomes pure horror. Want to see more projects made with laser cutting? Watch this next video.